channel. So today we are going to do this abstract French nail set for my lovely client. I already prepped her nails, put her tips on, and I always apply a thin coat of clear acrylic before I actually add the color acrylic that I'm going to use. So all of that has been done. I love soft colors. But yeah, so this is the color that we decided to do. This cute Valentino pink. I can't remember the name of it right now, but I will definitely put the information down below. I really love the Valentino cover acrylics. I feel like they have a very nice consistency. They're very smooth and silky, and they kind of resemble the consistency of my not polished acrylics, which is one of my favorites. I'm going to stop talking now and let you guys enjoy this acrylic application. I always apply a bead right there where the nail tip meets the client's nail, and that is the first bead that I always apply. And then after that, I apply another bead directly below it where it begins to fade. I like to brush it upwards and then brush it down. I feel like it gives it more seamless, smooth appearance when I do that. And it kind of helps me just work the bead out a little bit more. And then I'll do another bead right below that, and then I'll do my bead at the cuticle area. You'll see me quite frequently brush upward, especially towards the end of the nail. I don't know why I do that or how that started. Comment below and let me know if you guys do that too, because I really, to be honest, don't know very many nail techs that do that. So after I apply my beads, I always like to check and see if the nail is a little uneven in some areas, and I'll apply another bead as necessary. I, to be honest with you, don't get caught up on the 3-bead acrylic method. It's a good thing to, practice and do, but don't rip yourself up on it if you can't do it. So I've applied the acrylic to all the nails, and I am going in and just filing straight up and down on the free edge. And then I only use a sanding band to file the nail. My acrylic application is, for the most part, pretty much A1. So I just sand the nail so that it can have a smooth surface, in which today we are going to do the abstract Frenchies in rainbow colors. I'm so excited. I'm pushing her cuticle area back so that I don't cut her as I'm gently going around the cuticle. I'm using my pinky for stability and balance, and I move her finger just as needed so that way I can ensure that I'm getting in those tight corners and spaces, because the barrel of the mandrel is pretty wide and it doesn't have a narrow tip, so I'm making sure that I am getting in there good. Y'all let me know what drill you guys like using. I currently have the Kiara Sky nail drill, but I am possibly looking to get another one. I need for sure a backup nail drill in case something happens to this one. I recently have been having some issues with this nail drill, in which my nail drill has been skipping, and I believe that there's a shortage in my cord, but I'm not 100% sure. I did come across this video though on TikTok, and another girl said that she was having a very similar problem, and I saw that she bought another cord from Amazon, so I was thinking about maybe trying that. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about the drills that you have, and what would be another good brand for me to possibly purchase just as a backup, or maybe even change to, because I definitely need another one. I heard that Koopa nail drill is really good, and I know some people have the Melody Susie nail drill. This drill by Kiara Sky was, I think, about $300 or $400. So now I'm going to go in and I'm going to flip her hand upward and do some shaping with my nail file to ensure that I'm getting that crisp shape, I like to hold the nail file straight and I go back and forth to crisp up the free edge. The girls that like smoothing out the corners and rounding the edges, girl, you can't sit with me. We have to have these nails crisp and sharp. I like them to be so sharp to where you might cut yourself. I'm just kidding. I have a client and she always rounds her corners, but I really love crisp, sharp nails. It's just something about it that just speaks to my soul. So all the colors I'll be using today are from Profiles Backstage. We're gonna go ahead and start doing the abstract Frenchies. This orange is a little dark to my liking, so I did use some yellow to kind of brighten it up a little bit. I didn't get it much brighter than the original orange, but it did kind of make it a little bit better. Alright, the orange is going to be the start of the French tip for each nail. I feel like a lot of clients really think that French tips are simple and French tips are easy. They are not easy. For me personally, I think that French tips are one of the most difficult things in the whole wide world, and I love doing nail art, love drawing, have no problem with that. But when it comes to Frenchies, I hyper focus on making sure that my V is perfect, making sure that it is beautiful. Also, I've been really wanting to get some new nail art brushes. This nail art brush that I'm using is from a supply store down in Miami, and it's called the Nail Studio, I believe. I've had this nail art brush for a good like 3 years maybe, and it's still hanging in there and I love it so much, but baby, I need a new one. So if you guys have any suggestions as far as where I should maybe get some new liner brushes, nail art brushes, please comment below. I am open to suggestions because I really need some new brushes. This one has been really good to me, but she has put in her time and it is time for her to retire. What's your least favorite thing to do when it comes to doing nails? Like I said, for me, it's personally French tips. I don't like doing them. We have a love-hate relationship, to be honest with you. Also, this coming Tuesday is Nail Talk Tuesday, so make sure that you go over to my website, www.rbabeauty.com, and become a member so that we can talk about nails, girl. Everything nails is talked about on Tuesdays. So last Tuesday was license versus certification, what that is, and the difference between the two, in which there are plenty other blogs posted on there, such as what are acrylics and are they safe, how to apply cuticle oil and the benefits of cuticle oil. Those are just examples of some things that have been posted previously in the past. But this coming Tuesday, there will be a new blog that will be posted. So make sure that you go over to the website and become a member so that you can read those blogs, comment your thoughts, and we can talk about it. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you guys next time.